period is a bit higher.
Which one you see a check on?
The one I've just told you right now. It's a bit expensive. It's actually on 5-star rating.
Wow.
Hotel Vad Zanzibar, Azam Luxury Resort and Spa.
Okay.
So it's very. I've checked everything. Everything is on point. The rooms, the fumigation. The other rooms they were saying they have insects. So me, well, I don't know whether it's exaggeration, but I've not seen any good comment. Others, the internet. I don't know, power outage.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, family. So we're actually planning our trip for Zanzibar.
Yeah.
And I just give her the phone to check and stuff, and she gone and
I'm
reviews.
Sure
And I was just about to book the hotel, and I was like, check it again and see if you like it.
I'm also checking on how the bed is present, like, the making of the bed.
Okay.
There are these things we call, what do we call them? These ones.
Those runners.
Runners. If it doesn't catch my eye, I don't like how they, just there. But for this one, you should see what it looks like. Well, it's a bit higher.
How much for that one?
125 USD.
Mm-hmm.
But I like the bed.
So what you get all inclusive or just breakfast?
Actually, yeah. There's free internet, and then there's breakfast.
Okay.
Yeah. So I checked, everything is fine. Guess it's not so far from, of course, all over. The reviews are on point. I've not seen any negative, even one. So there's the other places they say they don't have a wide whatever variety of food. Yeah. Sometimes you want these or you want your modification. Like I want pancakes, for example. And they were saying they waited for the whole day, they didn't get the pancakes. So.
Wow. So guys, this is just a tip when you're traveling. Review. It's best to actually read the reviews and where you're staying and where you're going, so you don't make the wrong choice.
Like 3 people arrived earlier than the stated time and they were still allowed to check in the room. So that makes sense.
Okay.
Yeah. The hotel, what do we call the hotel? The staff. They're also good. From what I'm seeing, that is. So, bathroom is spacious and clean. And bathroom is everything. Yeah. So I think it's nice. Should book it.
What's the name?
Or should I go higher?
What's the name?
Hotel. The name is a lot. Hotel Vad Zanzibar. Anyway, I guess
Hotel
the name
Vad.
is Azam Luxury Resort and Spa. I think that's the name. Azam Luxury Resort and Spa. I love what it looks like, to be honest. The locality is nice. The surrounding. Yeah.
Yeah, family. So we're just planning out the trip, and it seems like this is where we're gonna stay. So we'll show it to you. Yeah. So just continue watching the vlog. Amesh is here. Amesh, we're gonna leave you. We're gonna leave you for Zanzibar. Zanzibar. He's my Zanzibar boy. My Zanzibar. Zanzi. He's a Gen Z or he's a Zanzi? Which one? Gen Z. Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And it's the night before our trip, our vacation trip. It's your birthday trip, right?
Yes.
And where are we going?
Zanzibar.
So we're going to Zanzibar family. We just want to make for you like a preparation vlog, travel vlog before you go. I want to make for you a preparation vlog. So you've been packing the suitcase from when?
The day before yesterday. When was that?
The day before yesterday you've been packing? So what you packed so far?
Because sometimes you might leave some this tiny things.
Yeah, so what you pack?
Yeah, I've packed our clothes.
What are some of the essentials that you should pack when you're traveling?
Towel. Toothbrush, toothpaste, of course, for ladies.
And what else?
My eye pencils, of course, for drawing eyebrows.
Yeah, and what else?
Here they are. And of course, rather your toiletries, like, the oil, lotion, whatever you want to use.
And what else?
Undies.
Mm-hmm.
And then the other clothes can be forgotten.
Okay.
But they are not being forgotten. But those are the essentials. Right?
Okay. Yeah, family,
Yes,
this is how it
this
looks.
Our soap.
This is our soap.
Yeah, our what? Our
Can I say
natural
it's a natural soap? This one is what? Lemongrass.
Like
Lemongrass soap.
These are toothbrushes.
So we have those one day for.
I'm carrying them because I don't trust this one. So in case I think the Bristol is not so good like I want it, I can easily switch.
Yeah,
But I like it because it has this case.
Okay, yeah.
So you wouldn't have to like just throw your toothbrush inside the suitcase just like that.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, family. So this is what we're packing. This suitcase is for both of us, right?
Yes, it's for both of us.
Yes, it's just a short trip, family. It's not a long trip.
Shut up. It's just a short birthday trip.
Yeah.
I've not actually fixed my hair yet.
And Amesh's grandmother is here, so Amesh will be with his grandmother
I'll miss my baby boy.
for a few days.
Yeah, not for so long.
So guys, we actually, continue the vlog. This is like the preparation vlog. So the flight, what time is the flight?
Around 7:40.
Yeah, family.
AM. East African time.
So the flight, family, is actually 7:40 in the morning.
EAT.
So just imagine we'll have to wake up early in the morning to actually catch this flight.
And Hannah should have to spend the night with Granny.
Yeah. So family,
Granny came yesterday, so.
Yeah, guys. So we'll actually share, the late, early morning flight going to Zanzibar from Kenya. So you
From
feel?
KE, for some feeling nice. I mean,
Feeling
it's
nice.
just written all over the face.
So you forget anything? You sure?
No, I'm very sure. To be honest, all the trips we've gone, I barely forget anything.
Okay.
So.
Yeah, family. So guys, continue watching the vlog while we show you a little bit of Zanzibar. Tanzania. It's actually Zanzibar of East Africa is like the Jamaica, the island. That's where the island is. That's where you'll see, the palm trees, the beautiful beaches, the blue waters. It's like the Maldives, family. So, Zanzibar is like the Maldives of East Africa. Out of Mombasa and Zanzibar, where do you think is better?
Well, I'll do that comparison when I
You
get
do that
there.
comparison? Well, I know that Zanzibar is better.
Of course.
There's a lot of, the beaches are clean and stuff there. And, you know what I mean?
You've
And
not
it's-
visited Mombasa well, like, so good, so.
Well, that's
You need to
true.
do that so that you can at least do your
Compare.
comparison. So we just visit. You know that time when we were in Mombasa, it was like in a rush. You know why we had gone there, so
Yeah.
we didn't really get to visit those nice sweet places that we see people posting on the internet.
Yeah, family. So continue watching the vlog while we prepare. We're still preparing. What is it preparing?
I'm just trying to take off my thing. This is my shower gel. I need to pack it, I think. These are shower gel.
And what else?
I need to pack mascara. This is lipstick, but I don't use it.
Yeah, family. So like, share, and comment on the video. And let us know your thoughts on this video, and comment and share, because we in Africa and we're showing you Africa. We're showing you the better side of Africa, what they don't show you on TV. So this is Jam Tours Africa. I'm out. One love. Continue. Get up, man. Get up. Get up. We have a flight to catch. We have a flight to catch the Zanzibar family. Get up. Get up. Get up. Yeah, family. So I'm back. And as you can see, just take my shower. We have a flight to catch for 7:40. What time is it now? 3:31, family. So as you know, it's early in the morning, and you have to catch a bolt. You don't know if you're gonna get a bolt gonna be available. So we have to be early. I don't want to miss this flight. See, I was telling you to go to bed early. Yeah, family. It's a traveling tip for your family. The app I used to book my flight is the Kayak app. Hope you can see it, Kayak. And it's always good to book your flight a month early, family. You know, this ticket to Zanzibar was like $328 family for both of us to Zanzibar. And if you check it now, it's gonna be very expensive. And I just want to share these apps that I use when I'm booking my flight, family. This is the My Trip app, and it's actually, you know, you can just put your trip in it, family. And what it does for you, it's actually, you know, book you in and check you in. I actually get a boarding pass and everything once you do that. So it's My Trips. So you can download it, My Trips. As you can see, guys, you see a boarding pass and stuff. See boarding pass. So the app is My Trips. Not sure if you can see it. My Trips. My Trips. You download the app, family. And guys, continue watching the vlog while we get dressed and while we head to the airport to book this flight. You know, I'm excited. It's my, you know, my first trip with my family out to Zanzibar, and you know, we hope to have some fun and hope to show you a few new things and new tricks. And you know, I mean, we're all excited for the summer. In Jamaica, it's summertime now, and people go out to the beach. You go to Dream Weekend, you go to Reggae Sumfest. You know, it's just a time of fun, and you just do your thing, and you come back, you go back to work. So Zanzibar is the Jamaica of Africa. So we're going there to check it out, to see what it has to offer, family. So continue watching, like, share, and subscribe, because we're showing you the better side of Africa. So guys, continue. Let's go. Yeah, family. So we actually dressed up and, you know, trying to book a Bolt to actually, you know, get out of here to the airport. There was nobody available on Bolt, family. So if you actually need to book an early flight, Uber is the best way to go. As I go on Uber, everybody was there. There was no one on Bolt. As you can see, no one on Bolt. No one on Bolt. Bolt is just busy, family. So actually the Uber is coming and everything is working fine. So let's, Amesh is sleeping. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna dodge, leave him or what, sweetie?
Of course I have to kiss my baby goodbye.
You know he's sleeping. So we're gonna kiss Amesh goodbye, and then we're gonna go, family. So let's go. Amesh falls asleep. Amesh, goodbye.
No, it has a lot of work.
Yeah.
It has a lot of work, but then
You don't make nothing from it.
we don't make much.
I guess that's why when you order Bolt, the driver is always
Yeah, it's always bargaining. Yeah.
Always requesting, can we go offline?
Yes,
Can we go
offline? Exactly.
Yeah, I always noticed that from
Yes.
ever since they want
Or
to go
they tell you to
offline.
add something.
Yeah, I'll tell you
small.
to add something. Yeah.
Yeah.
Not very common with Uber.
Yeah.
Uber, they would just probably go with what is on the.
What is there?
on the
Yeah.
app.
Yeah, I think Uber is more professional. You
It
know.
is more professional.
Yeah.
Even security wise.
Yeah.
Like, because nobody can drive an Uber without the personal documents and identification.
Yeah.
Even face recognition they use.
And what I noticed with Bolt, you might see somebody come with a different license plate,
Yes,
number
yes,
plate.
Yeah,
Yes. Those
Yeah.
are hired accounts.
But we don't normally enter. There's
those
a
are
day
hired
we-
accounts.
Yeah, there's a day we saw it and we are like,
Yeah.
just go.
That can be a bit dangerous.
Yeah, of course, of
Yeah.
course.
Because now there's no responsibility. Somebody has hired somebody's car.
Yeah.
The account as well is hired.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so I guess it's just like a business scheme.
Yes, it is a business scheme.
Yeah.
It is.
That's all.
It is a business scheme.
Wow. I guess I'll just delete Bolt off my phone now, sweetie, because it doesn't make no sense. You know what I mean? Because even though we have a car and we use it, you know what I mean? Sometimes you might need it.
Yeah, sometimes you
You know what I mean?
Yeah, but
Because
like
in a
right now, you
time.
can't go and leave the car there.
You can. It's quite expensive right
Very
now.
expensive.
It's very expensive now. You know, they realize that people used to go.
Or they leave the car
They
there.
leave the car there. You go to Mombasa or go wherever.
Aye.
Oh,
Then,
wow.
yeah,
So
then
it
you
used to
come
be
back.
free?
It used to be very cheap.
Ah,
Yes.
wow.
Yes. So
Right.
they realized that people, they saw that the parking was always full.
Ah. It's like how
Whereas
cheap.
the people.
So like how cheap was it? Like I estimate.
I'm not very sure, but I think they were paying, I think less than 50 shillings. Yeah.
Wow. Guy, 50 shillings a day.
Yes.
Guy,
Not a day, well, maybe per hour or something.
per hour, okay.
But I noticed even per hour it's very expensive.
It is
like
expensive.
150
It's 100
or so.
bob right now.
Yeah.
It's 100 bob right now.
Oh,
So
so that's
imagine packing it for like
24 hours,
a
that's
week.
2,000.
You are going to pay quite some amount.
Yeah. Well, that's like 2,400 sweet
Yes.
Yeah.
for a week.
Yes. Because one thing is very secure.
Yeah, it's very secure.
Yes.
I think, sweetie, we could do that. Like, let's say we're going for a month to just
Yes, some
a month and
some
yeah,
people still do that.
yeah, because if you have a late flight and
Yes.
you come in and you
I
want to.
just like because instead
So
of
is it like open out or it's under a shed?
Yes.
the
There
packing,
are two
the same
places that you can
packing.
park.
Ah,
Yeah.
well,
There's
that's
an
pretty
shed,
safe.
yes, there is
Very
a
safe.
park.
Wow.
And still on the field, still very
Well,
safe.
see, if we know we could have do that then. It was like a couple days ago.
Yeah, a couple of days, yeah. Doesn't hurt much.
It does not,
Especially if you go to Mombasa.
Yeah.
Maybe you're going for the weekend.
Yeah, because I think that's good.
It is.
So that information is very good because if you're moving around East
And
Africa, you're just
especially-
spending.
And especially in our estate, if you don't have a car,
Yes.
boy,
Yeah,
I think-
these estates, if you don't have a car, you're in trouble.
yeah.
You're in trouble.
Someone and these people are handling us like,
Yes,
Yeah, family. So we're on the way. This is a journey to the airport.
it is.
And we're having some
very
good conversation, informative. Next time when I'm going, I'll
because, and
be
then you know
leaving my
that
car at the
there are 4
airport.
gates.
Oh, yeah.
So there's one gate, if like now for you, the one you've used,
Uh-huh.
if it was like for us, because we have a car pass,
Uh-huh.
you
Use
now use
another one.
use a different gate,
Ah.
which is for the residents.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's why they were like, oh, you need to call the gate.
Oh, yes.
It's a whole
Family, so this is actually the preparation vlog. We're actually at the airport, and we're gonna end this video. So like, share, and subscribe. We're gonna go into the airport, sharing the new terminal with you at JKIA. So we have to come out of the car. We have to, check through security one by one. So we're doing that now. So let's do that. Yeah, family. So this is the end of this video. We're actually at the airport, and there's a piece of stretch that we go down into the airport in JKIA. And family, we just want to actually, just gonna experience. It's like my first travel video. I've been doing vlogs and stuff for you guys, showing you, East Africa. So the plan is to travel around East Africa first, then we branch out. The plan is to spend a month in each city of every African country, and the plan is to do it with the kids, and that's just the plan, the long-term goal and plan. So like, share, and subscribe to the video. Let us know your thoughts. This is just the preparation video, so we're gonna take you step by step, journey by journey, bits by bits, piece by piece of how Africa is. If you decide to come, and obviously you'll want to be in the city, because if you're coming from the west, you want to be in the city, you want to be active, you want to be live. So Kenya is very cold right now, so it's a great experience to get into the tropics, and Zanzibar is the tropics. So we're heading there. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. We are out.